Hi, I'm Mike, and today I'm going to be troubleshooting my sprinkler valve wiring. Hey, if this is your first time here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss anything. Alright, so I had some grass removed, and these two valves here, there's 3 valves in this box. These 2 valves went to the grass, and you can see the landscapers cut these and capped them. That's fine. But what they also did is cut all the lines to the valves. Now I need this valve. This one goes to desert plants, and they just chopped them up and left with a pile of stuff here. So I need to figure out where this goes to. It shouldn't be a problem. And the other valves I think are okay, but they're just a rat's nest of stuff. You can see some wires in there. The sprinklers really aren't working, and so I need to go through and figure out what's going on with them. I've been just watering manually by turning on the bleed valve on these, and so I'm going to figure this out. Alright, so again, this is the valve that I want. So the way these are wired, the way they should be wired, is that you've got 2 valves coming out of, or 2 wires coming out of each solenoid. One of the wires, doesn't matter which, goes to a common, which is a bundled mess here somewhere. Oh, here they are. You can see those are all wired to a common, and in this is the main sprinkler cable here. It's the white wire is the common, and then so 1 wire from each of these solenoids goes into the common, which is cool. These other ones right now I don't care about, but I want to find out what color those are so I can delete those from my sprinkler timer. This is the one I really need, and I don't know why they just cut these. How sloppy. So this is orange, so I need to reconnect this to orange, and this probably hasn't been touched in 20 years. Yeah, the wire just broke off, so I'll cut that and redo it. I'm going to strip this orange, strip this back a little bit so I get some fresh wire nut it on there, and call that good. But I need to find out, so I've got a green one here that goes to one of the other ones. So I want to delete a green, and the other one is red. So I'm going to remove the red and the green wire from my timer. Otherwise I'm just going to have a gap in the sequence when the timer actually fires. So delete the green and the red and strip the orange and connect the orange to this wire. Alright, there's my sprinkler timer. I'll pop the face off of it. And okay, so there's the common COM, which is the white wire, which you already knew. I'm going to get rid of the red and the green, and all that would happen if I didn't do this is when the timer starts, there's going to be a delay of nothing until the timed event times out, and then it would rotate to the next one. So I need something just to pry this up a little bit. Lift this up and pull out the red. And next is the green. Okay, so, and then I'm going to move these up. I think I'll make orange my number 1, just because I know that goes to the front. I'm going to lift this little thing up. Yours may operate a little bit differently. Alright, so I moved orange into my number 1 position there. I'm just going to go connect the orange back on my first valve there. That'll water the front yard. And let's take a look at these. So I got a mess. So I've got a brown, I've got a blue. This is the common. The red, I'm just thinking extended off to the front. I've got a wall in between this box and the next box. That just extended the wiring to the front. So I got blue and brown. And what is that? Yellowish? blue, brown, and yellow. All right, let's take a look. Got, yeah, blue, brown, and yellow. So I'm just going to take these three, move them up into position, so I'll have 1, 2, 3, 4 stations, and then I'll reconnect that orange one up front, and should be good to start testing this. All right, I just took my brown from this terminal, put it into number 2, so I've got 4 in sequence. I'm going to go and get the front valve wired up. All right, let's try this one. Good. I need orange on this one. Cool. And you know what? I'm gonna steal a cap off of one of these ones I'm not using. I got everything stripped. I stole a cap from one of the other wires. My orange is connected. Now, with any luck, when I press manual, it'll all fire up like it's supposed to. Okay, I think I'm ready to go. Everything is set there. I've got orange as my first one, which is the front. I'm going to set this to manual. See if it fires. I should hear something. Okay. So station 1 should be running. Let's see. This is my station 1, and I can feel it, I can hear it. Yay. Just make sure. Okay, yay. We got water. Okay, mission accomplished. Well, I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. If you're interested in our franchise opportunity, I'll leave a link for that in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.